Everyone, your Reshmi here from your Rice Person Soap. You all are doing very good today. Thank you so much for your support as always. And today I have selected some trendy collections only for you. So let me display. This one is very beautiful, elegant and bright looks, silk linen Banarasi work, very nice and premium quality, pure handloom silk linen material with contrast color, navy blue shaded border and full base part is Banarasi fine weaving butta design. This one full base part silk linen base, contrast border with silver zari fine weaving border design and full base part is fine silver zari Banarasi butta and full base part is same work butta design Banarasi butta, and this one is full base part, very elegant looks, elegant color combinations, and this one is pallu portions contrast color with beautiful fine silver zari weaving design work pallu with beautiful pom-pom design, and this one full base part silk linen butta, and I will suggest this silk material golden zari weaving butta work contrast blouse piece with this saree for your trendy and traditional looks. And this one also same material, very bright color combinations, ready shade contrast mustard yellow border and full base part is fine silver zari weaving butta design Banarasi butta, and this one is border portions, very nice looks. This one is full base part, this one is border portions contrast color with fine silver zari weaving Banarasi work border and full base part is silver zari weaving Banarasi butta design all over same heavy butta design. This one is full base part, this one is running blouse piece contrast color, and this one pallu portions, very nice color combinations based for your function wear party wear, very trendy and elegant looks. This one is pallu portions, beautiful pom-pom design fine silver zari Banarasi work, and this one full base part, very nice one. And I will suggest this silk material yellow shade Banarasi weaving work contrast blouse piece with this saree for your outstanding traditional looks. This one also very beautiful fashionable looks. This one is pure Rajasthani bandis golden zari checks and pure bandis print, very nice looks and elegant obviously, and this one is full base part. This one is contrast color border zari border with beautiful contrast color dye with pure Rajasthani bandis print, and this one pallu portions contrast color with beautiful printed highlighted golden zari lines pallu, and this one full base part silk material and golden zari fine checks pure bandis print, very nice looks. This one is full base part, and this one running blouse piece, and I will suggest this silk material self weaving work contrast blouse piece with this saree for your trendy looks. Very bright color combination, same material pure Rajasthani bandis golden zari checks all over base with beautiful contrast color dye border, very nice one and lightweight silk material, and this one is full base part golden zari checks with pure Rajasthani bandis print, and this one is contrast color dye border Rajasthani bandis print golden zari border, very nice looks and nice color combinations, bright one. This one is full base part, and this one pallu portions contrast color with beautiful contrast color dye with beautiful bandis printed design pallu, and this one running blouse piece, and I will suggest this silk material heavy Banarasi weaving brocade work contrast blouse piece with this saree for your outstanding looks. And this one also this one also very beautiful bright color combinations, same material silk material pure Rajasthani bandis golden zari fine checks and bright reddish maroon shade all over base checks design. Let me open this one full base part, very nice looks checks design Rajasthani bandis. This one is border portions, beautiful printed bandis printed design, and this one is pallu portions, beautiful contrast color golden zari lines with printed, and this one is full base part, very nice looks checks design golden zari with beautiful printed one, very nice looks. This one is full base part, and this one in a running blouse piece, red shade, and I will change this silk material, heavy brocade work, contrast blouse piece with this saree for your trendy and fresh bright looks. And this one also in a same material, bright color combinations, yellow, mustard yellow with red contrast border and all over checks design, very nice looks. This one, full base part, golden zari fine check silk material, pure Rajasthani bandis print. This one is border portions, contrast color dye with beautiful printed border, golden zari line border design, and this one is full base part, all over checks, weaving checks with bandis print, and this one pallu portions, contrast color with beautiful bandis printed pallu. Very nice looks. And this one running blouse piece, red set, and I will suggest this silk material, heavy brocade work, contrast blouse piece with this saree for your trendy and fresh bright looks. Very beautiful one of white shade with beautiful weaving design border, and full base part is colorful weaving butta polka design, very nice looks. Silk linen material, pure handloom silk linen with beautiful fine weaving polka design all over base, and this one border portions fully golden zari fine heavy weaving design work border, and full base part is beautiful fine weaving polka design, and this one is pallu portions, golden and silver zari stripes pattern pallu, and this one full base part, very fresh looks. This one is full base, this one is border portions, fully fine golden zari heavy weaving design work border, and full base part is beautiful polka weaving design embroidery work, very nice looks. This portion is weaving border, traditional Banarasi border, and these are beautiful fine weaving polka design, very nice looks. This one is running blouse piece, and this one is full base part, and I will suggest this silk material Gujarati work contrast blouse piece with this saree for your trendy and traditional looks. This one also in a very beautiful one, bright reddish maroon shade, premium quality pure handloom silk linen sequin design all over base, sequin stripes, and this one full base part, very nice look. This one is full base part, sequin stripes design, handloom cotton silk material, premium quality handloom cotton silk, and this one pallu portions, very beautiful one, fully golden zari weaving butta design with highlighted sequin stripes design, very trendy and bright looks. This one is full piece, and I will suggest this silk material heavy brocade work contrast blouse piece with this saree for your outstanding looks. This one also in a very beautiful bright color combination, silk cotton silk material, pure handloom cotton silk with fine weaving butta design, and full border portions, beautiful jamdani work. This one full base part, this one is border portions, fine golden zari weaving design jamdani work border, and full base part is weaving butta design, handloom cotton silk material, and this one pallu portions, contrast color with beautiful fine weaving design work pallu, and this one is full base part, very smart bright look. This one is full base bright green shade, this one is running blouse piece, and this one is full base part, and I will suggest this silk material heavy weaving butta work contrast blouse piece with this saree for your outstanding fresh bright looks. For customized stitching your blouse, please contact through WhatsApp. A very beautiful one, premium quality pure handloom cotton silk material, contrast border, and all over base part is beautiful weaving polka design, fully hand weaving, very nice color combinations. This one full base part, cotton silk material base, fine weaving polka design, contrast color border, highlighted golden zari lines, and this one pallu portions, contrast color with beautiful hand weaving jamdani work pallu, and this one full base part, fine colorful threaded weaving design jamdani polka, very nice looks. This one is full base part, this one is running blouse piece, and this one is full base part, very trendy and fresh looks. And I will suggest this silk material heavy brocade work contrast blouse piece with this saree for your outstanding looks. And this one, very bright one, bright blue shade, cotton silk material, jamdani work border, and royal blue shade, very nice one. This one is full base part, beautiful fine hand weaving butta design all over base, and this one is border portions fully golden zari with contrast shaded weaving design, jamdani work border, and cotton silk material, full base. And this one, beautiful weaving butta design. This one is running blouse piece, and this one is full base part, and this one, pallu portions contrast color, highlighted stripes with butta weaving design work pallu, and this one, border portions, very trendy and fresh bright looks. And I will suggest this silk material heavy Banarasi weaving butta work contrast blouse piece with this saree for your trendy, fresh and gorgeous looks. And this one, printed one, very smart one, based for your office wear, daily wear, very nice looks. Khadi cotton base, contrast border, and full base part is beautiful printed one, soft, lightweight, comfortable, based for your daily wear. This one, contrast color border, and full base part is beautiful printed one, very soft one, summer friendly, based for your daily wear. This one is pallu portions, contrast color, and this one, full base part, very nice looks. This one is full base part, beautiful printed one, contrast color border, and full base part is print. This one is running blouse piece, very nice and fresh looks. And I will suggest this cotton fabric, beautiful printed contrast blouse piece with this saree for your outstanding looks. Very beautiful one, khadi cotton silk material, and very soft, comfortable, summer friendly. And this one, full base part, very nice color combinations. This one is full base part, beautiful one, based for your office wear, daily wear. This one is full base part, soft, comfortable, summer friendly, khadi cotton silk material, full base part is plain. And this one is pallu portions, contrast color, highlighted stripes pattern pallu. And this one, full base part, same plain base and contrast color stripes pallu. And this one, running blouse piece, same body set running blouse piece. And this one is full base part, very soft one, summer friendly, trendy, fresh looks. And I will suggest this silk material heavy brocade work contrast blouse piece with this saree for your outstanding looks. This one also very beautiful one, very bright color combinations, magenta, pink shade, golden zari weaving butta design, golden zari weaving temple pattern border, very nice one, cotton silk material, pure handloom cotton silk contrast golden zari weaving butta design. And this one is border portions, golden zari border with temple weaving design. And this one is cotton silk material, soft one, summer friendly, bright fresh look, same butta design all over base. And this one is running blouse piece, and this one, pallu portions, highlighted stripes with beautiful butta design pallu, very nice looks. This one is full base part, fresh magenta pink shade. And I will suggest this silk material, golden zari weaving Banarasi butta work contrast blouse piece with this saree for your outstanding daily fresh looks. And today I have draped a beautiful saree, black base, fully weaving contrast color border, and pure handloom cotton silk material. And this one is border portions, red contrast border, same border work and butta design, very nice looks. This one is pallu, and full base part is black base and all over fine weaving butta design, very trendy looks. And cotton silk material, beautiful saree with beautiful blouse and jewelry. If you want same saree with same jewelry, please contact through WhatsApp. Hope you will like our collection. Thank you so much for watching the video. Don't forget to subscribe our channel. Keep browsing our website. Stay healthy. Have a good day. Take care. Thank you so much.